Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in a daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 21st, 2024. Not so good news today because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Only these three regular puzzles we have here. Let me show you that we have no additional. Maybe tomorrow, who knows, maybe the publisher will publish extra puzzles, but in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Alright, these three regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, it's war day number 973 days ago. The war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, that's the news. Okay, the first Sudoku. Let me zoom this. Come on, I need a space here. This will be number 9474. Yeah, 9474. Come on. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, I believe. 26. Let me put it here. Hey, where's my pencil? 9474. 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzles, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. Well, 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about a 7 in this row? 7 in the third row. So in the row between second row, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Then let me see. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are 4 and a 1. We have a 4 and a 1 in this row, so no 4 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. Cannot continue with 5. I need to wait. How about 3, 3. 3 and 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 3. 3, 3. I need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left with 4. Should be there. Yeah. 1, 1. Need a 1 there. I'm thinking. 4. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Well, 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. 7, 3. Come on. Thinking. 1, 8, 9. 8, 8. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. Well. Need a 2, need a 9. 2, 2. Need a 9. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5, 5. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. 2 numbers left now in this middle row. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We have a pair, the 3 and 8 in this column, third column. 3 and 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3, 3. Then let me see. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last column? For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 8. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then how about 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2, 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then, let me see. One box left now in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 6 should be there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so in the last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright, now. Two missing numbers in the second column, or 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place number 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4 cannot fill this yet. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 and 4, we have 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.